God.
Good morning, everyone. Today is one of the most important as well as prestigious day of our Indian history, and few of us are aware of that. The day is Pravasi Bharatiya Divas or Non-Resident Indian Day. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas or Non-Resident Indian Day, it is observed on 9th of January every year by the Union government. It is now celebrated every 2 years to mark the contribution of overseas Indian community to development of India. This day celebrated to strengthen the engagement of overseas Indian community with the government of India and reconnect them with the roots. This event is sponsored by the Ministry of External Affairs of the Government of India and the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry.
Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award is the highest honor conferred to the overseas Indians. This award is conferred by the President of India as a part of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas conventions which has been organized since 2003.
Now, some of the interested fact about the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas we all would love to know. Regional Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is organized outside India to give chance to link those Indian diaspora who cannot travel to India for the main event. It has been organized in 8 different countries. Pravasi Bharatiya Kendra renamed Susma Swaraj Bhavan as tribute to the late leader. According to the Indian government, the NRIs has the global exposure in terms of business and development strategies around the world. If some opportunity is provided to them, they will contribute in the development process by influencing their idea and experience on their motherland.
Now, why on 9th of January is decided to celebrate Pravasi Bharatiya Divas or NRI Day. So, on this day in 1915, the father of nation Mahatma Gandhi came to India from South Africa and became the greatest Pravasi who led India's freedom struggle and made India free from British and colonial rules. Let's move ahead. It will be more clear through a short video.
आया था रोशनी बनकर एक प्रण की तरह से तनकर वो हिंद देश का वासी जो था प्रथम प्रवासी सिद्धांत पे चलने वाला सिद्धांत पे चलने वाला वो समय बदलने वाला मुट्ठी में सवेरा लेकर सब रैन बसेरा लेकर जंजीर गलाने आया वो देश जगाने आया
Mahatma Gandhi not only changed the life of Indians but also created an example that if a person's dreams and desire are clear, he or she can achieve anything. As a non-resident Indian or Pravasi, he has represented as a symbol of change and development that could bring into India. In 2000, the decision to celebrate Pravasi Bharatiya Divas was taken in accordance with recommendation of the high-level committee under the chairmanship of Lakshmi Mal Singhvi when Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee was Prime Minister of India. Then Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee announced the Pravasiya Bharatiya Divas on 9 January 2002. Do you know that first Pravasiya Bharatiya Divas was celebrated on 7th to 9th January 2003. It was observed annually till 2015. Year 2015 marked as 100 year of a century for the return of Mahatma Gandhi. So the year 2015 celebration was a symbolic point. In 2016, Ministry of External Affairs decided to celebrate the event biennial, that is after every 2 years.
A journey begins at home, but go where the new path leads you, where the rainbows embrace the horizon, where the new friends meet you. Though I was far away from you, but my home is where I learned the meaning of pride. Home is where I understood humility. Home is where I needed no welcome mats. You opened your arms warmly. You hold my hands and made me walk on this land, the land, my motherland. Mission Vande Bharat was one such mission of homecoming to the ones who were far away from their homes and bring them to their homes when the whole world was at rest and hold their hands in the period of crisis. This mission was undertaken by Ministry of Civil Aviation of Government of India during COVID-19 pandemic. Indian Airlines had played a very significant role to make this mission successful. Now let's have a look how they work with courage and integrated together to make this task possible.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar.
थमने लग जाती हैं राहें जहां, थमने लग जाती हैं राहें जहां, वहां से शुरू की हमने अपनी बारी है। तिरंगे के तीनों रंग से रंगे हैं हम भी, और हिम्मत हिम्मत से तो हमारी पुरानी यारी है। दुनिया की इस किताब में कुछ किस्से हमने भी लिखे हैं। जोश की सियाही से नए पैगाम हमने भी लिखे हैं। खतरों से लड़ने की हर बार करी पूरी तैयारी है। अपनों को दूर देश से अपनों के पास हम लाए हैं, और हिम्मत हिम्मत से तो हमारी पुरानी यारी है।
We are doing an evacuation flight under the Vande Bharat mission.
सुबह शाम सूरज की किरणें जिस ओर पड़ती हैं, जिस छोर से बहती नदी जिस ओर निकलती है, उस ओर तक उड़ने की कोशिश की हमने हर बारी है। पंख फैलाए सुरक्षित उड़ते हम जाएं, पंख फैलाए सुरक्षित उड़ते हम जाएं, और हिम्मत हिम्मत से तो हमारी पुरानी यारी है।
Proud Indians and proud Air Indians, and we are very, very happy to transport all Indians back to India.
We thank the Indian Consulate as well as the Italian government for letting us take this humanitarian cause.
I would just like to thank the staff at Air India for helping facilitate this evacuation flight. It means a lot to many, many Indians who are on the aeroplane.
Big thanks to Government of India, Government of Bangladesh, Indian High Commission. I would like to thank entire fraternity of Air India for ensuring a flawless process of evacuation. Thank you so much, Jai.
As we said, Pravasiya Bharatiya Divas has been celebrated every 2 years since 2016. So let's move ahead and get to know what would be the plans of Government of India for Pravasiya Bharatiya Divas 2021 convention.
Pravasi Bharati Divas Convention is the flagship event of the Government of India and provides an important platform to engage and connect with the overseas diaspora. The theme of PBD 2021 is contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat. India has the largest diasporas in the world. The diaspora encompasses non resident Indians, persons of India origin, and overseas citizens of India who either trace their origins to India or who are Indian citizens living abroad. With a 17.5 million strong diaspora across the world, India received the highest remittance of $78.6 billion, which amounts to a whooping 3.4% of India's GDP from Indians living abroad. Atmanirbhar Bharat mission will establish the position of India in global affairs that have deteriorated due to pandemic. The pioneers of Silicon Valley contributed in the growth of economy. Google, led by Sundar Pichai, Microsoft, led by Satya Nadella, Herman Dove, Shantanu Narayan, Mastercard, Ajay Banga, IBM, Arvind Krishna. These are some of the more popular names in long list of companies led by the Indian origin CEOs. Now the women empowerment. Pravasi Bharati women who became the pride of India. Nikki Haley, 116th former governor of South Carolina. Kamala Harris, current elected vice president of USA. These are the two prominent leaders who marked their presence in all over the world. It is their Indianness that makes them thrive globally. India has faced the COVID 19 situation with fortitude and a spirit of self reliance. India today has created a capacity of producing 2 lakh PPE kits daily, which is also growing steadily. One of the most important factors in the fight with the virus is to empower the citizen with accurate information and enable them to take precautions. The focus of Atmanirbhar Bharat is on economy, infrastructure, system, vibrant demography, demand.
This day has its own significance, especially with the relevance of India diasporas increasing globally and India becoming a global power. Today, there are many Indians who live in London, America, UK, Russia, in every part of the world representing India. So, it is our responsibility to give them the opportunity or a platform so that they can contribute to the development of this important nation. I am sure in the days to come, this will be a very important and prestigious occasion for all Indians to celebrate the contribution of the NRIs in India. So, wish you all a happy Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. Thank
Good morning to everyone. Now it's a quiz time. The instruction for the quiz are you all have to type the answer in the chat box, and whosoever will type the answer first will be the winner. I request all the teachers and principal ma'am to participate along with us. Remember, there's a time limit of only 10 seconds. So, all the best. Here comes the first question. In 2000, under which committee the decision was taken to celebrate PBD 20, PBD? Type your answer fast. Yes, the correct answer is given by Rahul. It's Lakshmi Lal Committee. Now the next question. When did non-resident day started? I repeat, when did non-resident day started? Yes, the correct answer is given by Sukanya, and the answer is 9th of January 2003. Now, the next question. Which day has been marked as 100th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi's return to India from South Africa? Please type the answer fast. Yes, the correct answer is given by Monica, and the answer is 9th of January 2015. Now the next question. In the honor of Sushma Swaraj, Government of India renamed Pravasi Bharatiya Kendra as dash. Type the answer fast. Only 10 seconds. Yes, the correct answer is given by Pratibha, and the correct answer is Sushma Swaraj Bhavan. Now, the last question. What is the 16th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention theme is? I repeat my question. What is the 16th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention theme is? Yes, the correct answer is given by Aditya. The answer is Atmanirbhar Bharat, contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat. That's all for today. Thank you. Over to you, Pratibha.